Let's see the difference between drawing with line and polyline. Suppose I want to draw a polygon using the line tool. You can see that when I move the cursor over each line, only that line gets highlighted, because each segment is treated as a separate object. But if I draw the same shape using Polyline, AutoCAD recognizes it as a single unified object. Notice how, when I move the cursor over the polyline, the entire shape gets highlighted. As you gain more experience, you'll naturally start to understand when using Polyline makes things easier for you. Drawing a circle. I want to draw all these circles in AutoCAD. These numbers written here are the radius of these circles. These crosshairs are also the centers of the circles. To draw a circle, we click on the circle icon. I want to draw circles with a radius of 5 to the center point. I click on this point and type 5 and press Enter key, and the circle will be drawn. For the next circle, I press the Enter key until the last execution command, which was the command to draw a circle, is called again. I click on the points that I want to be the center of the circle. After that, I type 9, and press Enter key.